Come, come.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
May I help you?
Yeah, sure. Actually, we need some of the clothes for the casual wear. So, do you have?
Yes,
Actually, it's not for me. It's for my one of the friends whose birthday is gonna take place in upcoming Monday. So, I want the different types of the jeans and shirts so that his birthday will be really wonderful.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. It is a very nice place for coming to here.
Okay.
Here is so many varieties. If you want this any types of the clothes, then here available. So, which type of clothes you want?
I told you that it's a casual wear so that he will wear wherever he goes.
Okay. So, can I show the you jeans pant?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Uh, take this one. So, look, it is very nice pant and very branded pant.
Sir, actually, I need the size of the jeans 30, not 28.
Okay, so
Yeah.
okay. This 30 size pant, jeans pant.
No, sir, it's I think you were mistaken. It's a 28.
Okay. This is 30. Actually, what happened? I am a news.
It's okay.
So,
it's
I
okay.
don't know
Even
about
even
this
you are behaving properly and also it's good. I can say that this shop founder is having the good bonding with the staff. Yeah, you can. This is really good. What do you say, Krishna?
Yeah, it is good.
The color is good and even the clothes quality is good. So tell me the price of it.
Uh, price of that pant is ma'am 1000.
It's too much. Sorry.
No, it is very branded pant.
It is out of my budget. I can't afford this one.
Okay,
You
then
show
you
me
can
another one.
Okay, you
Can you show
this one? Okay.
Yeah, not this one. Sir, that one. Yeah.
Okay. Look this one.
This one is also. So, Krishna, what do you say? Shall we take both? This one also and this one also. But color should be changed. Like this one would be the perfect.
This color is very nice. This and this one.
Like what is the price of this one?
700.
It's too much. Why are you taking a lot of charges?
And it is not a lot of charges. It is very.
You know, founder
Branded.
know me is your founder of the shop knows me very well. You just call him and say that Saloni has come to your shop and
I know about ma'am. You are come regularly here, so because of that I am showing you good quality of clothes.
but price is too much.
No worries, ma'am. If you take a lot of pants, if you take 2 pants, then I will give the 10% discount.
I'm taking the two one like jeans and this one. So I want you to just deduct some of the price and then after it will be affordable for us. You know that it is like urgency that we are taking it. Just do it.
Okay, then I will reduce 200. You will take this from.
He is charging a lot. Let's go to the another shop. Yeah.
No worry, ma'am. It is very good
No, you
clothes.
are taking a lot of charges. Then we don't have that much money.
Okay, then you send me your budget. I will show you that type of the.
This one, how much you told? This one,
This is 1,000.
I want it in 700.
Okay, I will ask him manager.
Yeah, and this one, what is the price of this?
This one is 700, but I will give you 500.
No, 400.
No,
Sorry,
no,
400.
No, 500.
No, it's like it deserves 400.
No,
You know, I do the shopping.
It
I
is
know
very-
this.
it is-
You just see.
It is
This
branded
one-
pants, man.
I
You
know
look
this is the
pant.
branded, but this deserves only 400, not 500. You are taking 100 extra from me.
No, ma'am, it is for 500. You ask
If
also
you do
manager.
like that, no customer will come to your shop.
Okay, ma'am. You ask the
And
manager.
not only I will buy like these things, I will also take another one. Okay, actually I want bag in this. There is another color.
Yes.
Is there another?
Ah,
Okay.
these two bags are very nice.
This will be good for him. Yeah, he is a software engineer, so I think that this will help him, right? So what do you say? What is the price of this?
The price of that bag is, I think, 1,000.
Why are you taking a lot of charges?
Ma'am, this is very
We
nice
have bought
price.
same kind of the bag I bought previous week.
But my
Previous
ma'am,
Sunday I bought the same and it was only 500 and you are taking 500 extra.
ma'am, it is very nice bag. It is very branded bag. Because of that,
I
I'm
know
saying-
this is the branded. That is the reason I told you that the original price of is 500.
No, you saw
You
this
just
bag.
see that. Look,
Right here,
showing you
mention,
that.
ma'am.
Even this is not the waterproof,
No, it is waterproof. They have mentioned though. This bag is very waterproof.
and there is the guarantee of this bag.
Yes, it is guaranteed
How long a guarantee will be?
for 1 year.
1 year. And if anything will happen within 1 year, will you exchange?
Yes.
Guarantee or a warranty?
It is a one.
Warranty, no guarantee.
No,
Sir, why are you taking a lot of charges?
no, ma'am.
You give me 500 rupees.
If you want this bag, then I will give you 700. I will give you 10.
No, I don't have money.
No, ma'am.
Then I'm going to buy from another shop.
No, ma'am. You also know that it is very expensive bag. And it is very nice.
It's
it is
not
waterproof.
expensive. You are taking a lot of charges from me.
I'm not taking.
I am from
charges,
your
ma'am.
village. You should provide me some of the discount.
Okay, ma'am. I will give the discount, but you choose one bag first.
So yeah, this one I like it.
Okay. And what do you want? Another one?
No, actually, I don't have that much money. If you give me, then I can buy.
Okay.
You just free I want.
Okay. Can I pack this?
Yeah, pack it. Sir, I would like to make a payment by online UPI. Do you have mobile?
Yeah.
Give me one piece week.
Yeah.
Carry bag. By the way, I think this is the newly constructed shop. I know your founder. He is very good. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
It comes again in here.
Okay.